Now let's start remaining sums of circle. ખાલી કેટલા sums બાકી છે? 4 to 5 sums. Question number 13. 14, 15, 16. 4 sum left. Question number 13. The given figure, the square in the given figure, square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant. OPBQ if OA equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. I is equal to 3.14. Okay. હવે શું કહે છે? એક ક્વાડ્રન્ટ છે, 1/4 part of a circle. એની અંદર એક સ્ક્વેર છે. સ્ક્વેર OABC is a square. Is inscribed in a quadrant of OPBQ. OPBQ is a quadrant if OA is equal to any side of square is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter. तो हमारे શું કરવું પડે? You have to find this shaded region. Very simple. Quadrant minus square. And for quadrant I want radius. આ રેડિયસ નથી, રેડિયસમાં આટલું લેકિંગ છે, ખબર નથી મને. ઓકે, તો અહીંયાથી સર્કલ સુધીનું ડિસ્ટન્સ ધેટ ઇઝ રેડિયસ. તો OB is radius and OB is diagonal of square also. So R 20 છે, all the sides is 20 centimeter. So from Pythagoras theorem, OAB in triangle OAB ma OB is hypotenuse and radius of quadrant a radius bhi thai karan ke center thi circle sudhi no distance that is radius. So OB square is equal to OA square plus AD square. OA square plus AD square. OA is 20 square plus 20 square is 400 plus 400. That is 2 times 400 is OB square. So OB yani 20 root 2. 200 root is 20 root 2 is radius of the quadrant. Now area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to quadrant minus square. Area of quadrant minus area of square. Quadrant यानी आखा सर्कल नो 4th part, 1/4 part of the circle. यानी circle area is pi r square by 4 and square area is length into length. Pi is 22 by 3.14. Pi is 3.14 into radius. Radius is 20 root 2. 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 by 4 into length यानी 20 into 20. Right. 4 5s are 20. 3.14 into 5, 3.14 into 5 into 20, root 2 2 થાય 2 into 400 જે પણ આન્સર આવે તો આન્સર is 3.14 into 5 into 40 minus 400 equal to 2 to 8. 2 to 8 centimeter square is area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, right? Number 14. Number 14. AB and CD, AB and CD are respectively arc of two concentric circle of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter and center O. If AOB is 30 degree, find the area of shaded region. You have to find the area of shaded region. Okay? ચલો આવું છે It's a pizza અને આ બીજો pizza છે. You have to find the area of shaded region. O, A, B, C and D. This angle is 30 degree and the smaller radius is 7 centimeter and larger radius is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. Then you have to find the area of shaded region. Yani bigger pizza part minus smaller pizza part. Right? Area of shaded region. Region equal to sector, area of sector OAB, moto sector, bigger pizza part minus smaller pizza part, and area of sector OCD. Okay, sector area means pi r square theta upon 360 minus pi r square theta upon 360, in which this bigger radius is r1 and smaller radius is r2. r1 minus r2. समझ में? मोटो पिज्जा part the radius is all are same. Pi theta upon 360. Pi theta 360. Pi theta 360 is common in both. Only the radius difference r1 square minus r2 square. With pi theta 360. Pi theta 360 common. r1 square minus r2 square. 22 by 7. Theta is 30 upon 360. r1 यानी 21 square minus 7 square. Now a square minus b square without square, one time plus one time minus. 22 by 7, 0 0 cancel. 3 ones are 2 exactly, यानी 1 by 12. 21 plus 7, 21 minus 7, one time plus one time minus. So 22 by 7 into 1 by 12 into 28, 21 plus 7, 28, 21 minus 7 is 14. 7 2s are 14, 2 6s are, 3s are 14s are, 22 into 14 by 3. હવે કટ ન થયું તો upon 3 માં જ રાખવાનું. The answer is 22 into 14 divided by 3 is 102.6666. 102.6666. So that is 102.67 centimeters square is the area of shaded region. Now 15 number is very important. 15 and 16 जो આમાં બહુ ઓછા sums છે જે important છે. Question number 8 track વાળો. That is important and somehow difficult. Number 8, number 15 and number 16. Only 3 sums which are difficult, yani somehow difficult as compared to other sum. Difficult तो ना कहेवाय पर बीजा sum करता थोड़ा अलग, right? Now 15, 16 important. Question number 15. In the given figure, ABC is a quadrant. Quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of shaded region. Okay, the quadrant है. So one quadrant is a sector and BC is a diameter. BC ने diameter લઈને આ semicircle છે. આ semicircle દેખાય છે તમને semicircle? આ half circle છે. Okay, as this is semicircle, ABC. Okay, ABC is a quadrant. ABC is a quadrant. It's ABPC. ABPC is a quadrant, 1/4 part of a circle of a radius 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn. ત્યારે semicircle નથી કરતા. ચલો, you have to find this shaded region. સમજ માં આવ્યું? So the first part અને second part અને third part લઈ લઈએ. દેખાય છે તમને? First part, second part and third part. પણ third part નું તો કોઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે જ નહીં મારી પાસે. I can find this it's a minus triangle, so I can find sector. Sector यानी I can find second part area. Second part को area find करवानो. પછી શું કરવાનું તમારે find કરવાનું છે semicircle. Semicircle ના એરિયા માંથી यानी semicircle area minus this sector, sorry segment. આ segment ને minus કરી દો તો you can find the shaded region. સમજમાં આવ્યું? પહેલા છે જ નહીં એવું સમજો. Just imagine you have just quadrant यानी 1/4 part of a circle, यानी 1/4 part of a circle minus triangle, you can get segment area. Segment area यानी number 2 area. Now then after we will find the semicircle area. Semicircle area આખા semicircle માંથી segment ને minus કરો તો you can get this shaded region. Got it? કેવી રીતે જવાનું છે આગળ સમમાં? ચલો. Okay. For segment part BC. Segment part 2 area. Part 2 area કેવી રીતે મળે? Part 2 area કેવી રીતે મળે? How? Quadrant minus triangle. Quadrant area of quadrant ABC minus ABPC. यहाँ P नहीं आ रही, ABPC minus area of triangle ABC. Right? समझ में आ गई? यानी quadrant minus triangle, you can get segment area. Then quadrant is equal to 1/4 part of a circle, pi r square by 4, minus triangle area is 1/2 of base into height, 22 by 7, radius is 14 into 14 by 4, minus triangle area, right angle triangle, because this is right angle triangle area is equal to length into 1/2 of base into height. The right angle containing side is one of the base and another is height. Is 1/2 of 14 into 14. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 2 7s are 154 minus 7 98. So 10 minus 8 is 2 plus 4 is 6. 56 centimeter square is area of second part. Right? હવે આવી જાઓ સેમી સર્કલ છે. આ એક સેમી સર્કલ છે. કોઈ પણ સેમી સર્કલ માટે શું જોઈએ? એની રેડિયસ જોઈએ ને. તો એની રેડિયસ કેવી રીતે મળશે? આ 14 છે, આ બી 14 છે, તો હાઇપોટેનિયસ is the diameter of semicircle. Of triangle ABC is diameter of semicircle. समझ में આવ્યું? Triangle no hypotenuse is diameter of semicircle. So O ABC. So BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. BC square is a hypotenuse square is equal to AB square plus AC square. That is 14 square plus 14 square. Any 2 times 14 square. BC square is equal to. So BC is equal to 14 root 2. 14 root 2. And can root 2 14 square is root square root cancel 14 root 2. So आने अपने mid point ले लिए m. So radius કેટલી થાય? Radius of semicircle equal to 7√2 થાય. એટલે આટલું 7√2 થાય. Right? Now area of shaded region. Area of shaded region કેવી રીતે મળે? यानी part 3 area. Area of shaded region અહીંયા લખવાનું. Area of shaded region part 3. How can I get area of shaded region? यानी semicircle minus part 2 area, second area जो मैं फाइंड કરી રાખ્યો છે. Okay, so area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of part 2. Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Semicircle છે અડધું circle by 2, and part 2 area is 56. 22 by 7. Semicircle radius is 7√2. 7√2 into 7√2 by 2 minus 56. 7 cancel. √2 2 થાય. √2 2 and 2 cancel. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 plus 115. 154 minus 56. 154 minus 56 is 98 centimeter square is the shaded region. Area of shaded region is 98 centimeter square. 98 centimeter square. Okay. Request કે આ સમ બધા બહુ ઈઝી છે પણ થોડો લેન્ધી છે. બરાબર? પહેલા સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો, that is sector. એ તો આપણે બહુ વખત ફાઇન્ડ કર્યું. સોરી સેગમેન્ટ માં સેક્ટર સેગમેન્ટ માઇન્ડમાં એ જ હોય. Segment find करवानो. Segment is equal to pizza minus triangle, so you can get this segment area. હવે આ segment area તો મળી ગયો છે. આ તો આખા સેમી સર્કલ માંથી સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ यानी segment part માઈનસ કરો તો એરિયા ઓફ શેડેડ રીજન મળે. and for semicircle I have to find its radius. કારણ કે રેડિયસ જોઈએ તો 14√2 14√2 નો હાફ तो 7√2. यानी the semicircle radius is 7√2. Now semicircle area minus part 2 area. Part 2 area is available. So semicircle minus part 2 area is 56. Then you can get the shaded region. Shaded region નથી, shaded region છે. Shaded region. Okay. Now the last sum. Number 16. Question number 16. Easy છે આ બહુ easy છે. Calculate the area of a designed region. Calculate shaded region or a designed region. Shaded region common between two quadrants of circle of radius 8 centimeter each. 8 centimeter each. હવે શું કહે છે? ફિગર જો. Square is first quadrant. આ દેખાય તમને આ first quadrant છે. This is first quadrant of radius 8 centimeter. Quadrant of radius 8 centimeter. And another quadrant, दिखाई तुमने आगे एक quadrant बने, another quadrant of radius 8 centimeter. Then you have to find this shaded region. Okay. तो आ फिगर આપી છે, તો આ ફિગર થોડી ખબર ના પડે તમને, તો આપણે જોઈએ. આપણે ફર્સ્ટ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ યુઝ કરીએ. એક આ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ છે, રાઈટ? A B C D, this quadrant of radius 8 centimeter. Okay. तो आ શું થાય? સેગમેન્ટ થાય, સેગમેન્ટ. So આને પાર્ટ 1 કહી દઈએ. As shown in the figure, area of part 1 equal to area of pizza यानी sector, area of sector minus area of triangle ABD. Sector area is a pi r square by 4 भी करी शके, अथवा pi r square theta upon 360, whatever you can take, and 1/2 of base into height. Pi is 22 by 7. The radius 22 by 7. Yes, radius is 8 into 8 by 4. 1/2 of the right angle triangle. The right angle containing side is one is base and another is height. So 8 into 8. 4 2s are 8. 22 by 7 into 2 into 8 minus 32. यानी 22 by 7 into 8 2s are 16 minus 32. The answer is, चलो by 7 मत लावानो छे, મને રહેવા દો. 16 into 22, 352. 352 by 7 minus 32. LCM 7 लो. 32 into 7 is 352 minus 224 by 7. 128. 128 by 7. 128 by 7. समझ में आया? 128 by 7. आ तो फिगर हाफ थी ने, but area of 1 is equal to area of 2. હવે એમ કે area 1 છે, આપણે એનો હાફ આલાયા ને, is segment of first quadrant, this quadrant segment. But this segment, first part as well as second part is same. So area of shaded region equal to 2 times area of part 1. Part 1 એટલે કે part 1 છે એને 2 times લઈએ તો you can get 2 parts. આ first part આનો એરિયા તો લાગી તો first 2 times કરો. यानी 2 times 128 by 7. The answer is 256 by 7 centimeter square is area of shaded region. चलो भाई આપણે પેથ્સમાં બહુ બધા ચેપ્ટર્સ થઈ ગયા છે. So in the next week I request all of you to send as many as doubts, and every day I will make the videos of the doubt, and no new chapters will be taught in next week. So I request to work hard and try new sums and send me doubts. અને doubts માટે પણ હું તમને ટાઈમ ટેબલ આપી દઈશ કે કેવી રીતે કયા ચેપ્ટર્સના ડાઉટ્સ મોકલવાના. કમ્પલસરી 8 ચેપ્ટર્સના ડાઉટ મોકલવાના, રાઈટ?